Hello, my name's Lorraine Marshall and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, where we upload YouTube videos on digital products that are launching. Today we're going to look at a product called Affiliate Domination. Affiliate Domination is a training product. We're going to start in the members dashboard and then look at the sales page. Then we're going to jump over to my bonus page and see what fantastic bonuses I have when you purchase Affiliate Domination through my link, which you will find in the description below this video. Okay, so let's have a look in the members area. Okay. Okay, so here we are inside of the members area of Affiliate Domination, and as you can see, it's a training product. Basically, Affiliate Domination gives you various video trainings. There's an opportunity to join their Messenger and their Facebook group here, and along this side of the dashboard you can see the different training units as you go through. Quite a number of them are locked. Obviously this is just the demo version, but this is the first video that you see inside of the dashboard.
And I am super excited to welcome you to the Traffic Domination Bootcamp. Now you're in for a real treat with this training, but before we get started I want to make sure that you are inside the Facebook group. So below this video you'll see a link that goes to our Facebook group. Make sure you do that. You're going to need it as we go through the training. So do that right now, then come straight back to this training.
Right, so obviously this is the telling you about the Facebook group and getting inside of Traffic Affiliate Domination. Okay, so here we are inside of the sales page now, and this is the sales video. Basically, this is a step-by-step training product. It's brought to you by Wayne Crowley and Paul Nicholls. It's basically going to show you how they make affiliate commissions using free traffic. We can have a quick look at the video on the sales page.
Way for someone to make money online, but over the past few years it's become a lot more complicated. There are many technical tasks required to get your campaigns up and running with most of the methods out there. Now the good news is it doesn't have to be that way. We've perfected a simple method for creating winning affiliate campaigns in any niche. It only takes us a few minutes per day and it works in absolutely any niche. Here's some of our recent results. So if you're currently struggling to make money as an affiliate, you're tired of wasting money on affiliate methods, systems and software tools that don't get you the results you want, you like the idea of plugging into a brand new step-by-step affiliate method that's working right now to get us big results, and you want to get your hands on multiple done-for-you campaigns that are already proven to make money, then we've got just what you need. It's called Affiliate Domination. Inside you get access to a step-by-step training course that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how to copy what we're doing to make daily affiliate commissions in any niche with 100% free traffic.
So that's the claims on the sales video, that you can make affiliate commissions with 100% free traffic. Obviously it's a never release method, shows you what they've been doing, and there's no hard work needed. You don't need any prior experience. Works in multiple niches. Everything you need to replicate the results included in Affiliate Domination. They show you how to get the free traffic and what converts right away. In addition, there's a daily affiliate commissions. They've got a quirky little never revealed method for getting even bigger payments, a step-by-step video training that shows you exactly how they make money, and get access to multiple done-for-you campaigns that they'll send over in the next 6 months to help save time and fast-track results. So that is what the claims are on their Affiliate Domination sales page. Now, the prices on the product, I will go over to my bonus page and we'll take a look at the bonuses as well. So it's the launch date's Monday the 5th of July at 10 AM EST, and like I said, it's brought to you by Crowe and Nicholls, and it's a step-by-step training. There's more information on the product further down. We've got the front end of Affiliate Domination at $12.95, a one-time offer which is AdWords and paid traffic training at $27 upsell. Then there's Affiliate Domination AdWords template at $47, the super affiliate coaching video series which is $97, the Tube Domination, which I'm guessing is a YouTube, $197, and their Affiliate Domination Live VIP Super Affiliate Coaching, $297. So if you're interested in Affiliate Domination, want to grab Affiliate Domination, then any of these blue buttons on my page, which you'll find the link in the description below this video, you will be taken to the sales page to purchase. So my 4 bonuses that I have: 0 hour workdays, which is a video training. We've got bonus 2, which is traffic based, which is a downloadable ebook PDF. My bonus number 3 is blogging for profits, which is another ebook, a PDF that you can download. And the 4th bonus I have for you is a Facebook Live handbook, obviously telling you how you can go about doing Facebook Live. Okay, that's another ebook, a PDF download. So those are my bonuses. You will also receive all of the vendor bonuses when you grab Affiliate Domination through my link by clicking any of these blue buttons here. Okay, 100% free. Okay. So that is my quick review of Affiliate Domination, and you can grab my bonus page link in the description below this video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.